Fuck that shit, nigga. Fuck that nigga. You know what I'm saying? There's nobody believed that was really Diddy beating Meek back in. But now y'all motherfuckers believe the video, right?
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
I watch them on the German represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Yes, no man, bless all and greetings, you know. All my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I don't know if I see the major device and all Lionfoot in the ears and eyes. I will say give thanks to the sunshine, you know. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Joe, Rastafari. Yes, man, blessed love. Blessed is the man that walking that in Joseph and godly and sit up in the seat of scornful, you know. Yes, man, played my cause or just strive with those who strive with me. Fight against those who fight against me, you know. Yeah, man, cut and play while destruction and curse. Guide me away from the traps that the wicked them are set. You know, yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. I don't know, Jah is always by my side. Why should I be afraid? Holy I Selassie, cool shites. Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, big up with yourself, I don't know. But they are just a forward off of the work, you know. Going to cool long and now and steam to swim around, you know, to fish, you know. And some prawn, you see it? Watch some football. Cause that's all I do. So yeah, say. Yeah, man. So I'm going to say, boy, P. Diddy, don't forget to like and share the content, you know. Big up on yourself, because I know why you say we keep it real on the battlefield. Yeah, so I say, we always say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength, inclusion. Each to their own, you know, choice and demise. Think twice before you make that choice. Think before you act. That's what I say. Yes, man. That's it. Evelyn, I get Tarzan a walk. Yes. Tarzan! My neighbor dog, get a Tarzan. Yeah, man, so. There, man, you see it. Boy, Mr. P. Diddy in a salt water now, I tell you, boy, I don't know. Like a long time, them I watch him, and you know, allegations has been making a long time, years. So P. Diddy, you know, bend up and wire up and Z up, and, you know, swing both ways, and Jaja, very sad, and we don't know, but I don't know, you see me, if man have them day and time, you know. Is it? So them raiding a P. Diddy place where they and him tree house them running pan. They on the news everywhere, you see me? And thing, you see it, and you see them there football. And me hear the youth them attack, some English youth, I say, yo, everybody say, yo, I'm no Diddy, you know, but love, bro. I man tell him, Bridget, say, I love him, but I don't Diddy, Diddy love, you see me? I don't Diddy love. Say, you know, say, I puff that him attack. Zin, some footballer, you see me, some teammates. So I say, blood clot, P. Diddy, gone viral. So I see a video with a man, a brother, say, him have the video where him record P. Diddy and Meat Mills. I saw Meat Mills. Him record them and they try use it as blackmail to get some money. Because him have the proof, you know? Like the video and thing, and him send it out. And now him say, yo, no, I don't believe when you see the video. Like when him tell people, them nobody never believe. But the video must say a leak now where, you know, P. Diddy and Meat Mills allegedly in the room and one of them fandangles and balls and lick and all of them. We have say allegedly, because I don't have no proof of it, but we have played the video. We don't see P. Diddy night now Meat Mills. We don't see P. Diddy now Meat Mills tonight. I just that's nice I make. You see me? Yeah, but anyway, watch the video and hear what I go on.
You know what I'm saying? There's nobody believed that was really Diddy beating Meek back in. But now Now y'all motherfuckers believe the video, right? Right? Somebody throw me a couple dollars, man.
Fuck that shit, nigga. Fuck that ass, nigga.
All the champagne was spiked, son. Like, all the champagne was spiked. Everybody was passed the fuck out. I don't drink, so I was playing that shit off like I don't fucking drink. I smoke, nigga. Like, I smoke and I had my own weed, but, like, everybody was passed out. Yo, Diddy had that man in the room. Look, yes, I put my ear to the fucking door and I brought the phone because Diddy started going in overdrive. I ain't know what the fuck was going on, but I just heard balls slapping against ass cheeks. I heard niggas struggling to take dick. I heard niggas being like, yeah, daddy. Like, when he started all that daddy this and daddy that, and then I heard some hollering and struggling like, yeah, I kept the phone there and I recorded all that shit because I was like, this nigga Diddy rich. So I'm finna put the squeeze on and get me a couple dollars and just say, you know what I'm saying? There's nobody believed that was really Diddy beating Meek back in. But now y'all motherfuckers believe the video, right? Right? Somebody throw me a couple dollars.
Yeah, man. Why sun a shine in a star. But I tell you, what do you think? Why we don't do the star? Be nice, I'm making a room and think, yes, daddy, daddy, where daddy? Blood clot. Ja. Eh? So yeah, the brother say, yo, no one believe. Somebody forgive him some money because him say, yes, he might take ownership, say, him record it, you know. Because me be nice and him got the door run a record and that try to use it as blackmail because I say P Diddy rich. Zine and enough allegations were out that enough people, enough of the young artists, them, rapper them, and R&B, mingle with, jump them off, spike them off, and take disadvantage of them, woman and man. You see me? Already we see a girl say the same thing to say him hallucinate her. I hear the brother say, all of them champion, the spike, junk, know yourself, and when you don't know yourself, be things are going on and you don't know so things are going on, you know? So, why me I tell you? That's why you have to be careful, you know? Some of them big star rapper them, I feel them style that, you know? Yeah, man. Lil Wayne and all of them, Birdman and all of them. You see them up on a video like Kiss and them thing there. You see it? It's just that P Diddy, a film time now, forget come down, you know? And you see it. And enough of the man them, Usher, all of them, Chris Brown, Bow Wow, from Bow Wow just a bus out. Yeah, and these are years allegation. Bow Wow, where's Bow Wow today? Enough of them broken, because innocently them take disadvantage of. You see me, because them spite the youth them and walk them off. You see me? Years, long time. R. Kelly, the whole of them. You see me? Ja. They know the American world that so for them lifestyle different, but you know, each to them own, you know. I just know some me now sell out, you know. You see me? Who not kill Bow out and I sell them soul for vanity. Young and old pick up things from them head and can't manage it. Me beautiful cut. Yo, you listen, man. Money me a pre, me a hustle the money like the teacher at the boss. Money me a pre. Forget the money, me nah sell me body, no. Nah sell me soul. Fulfill my dreams or achieve my goal. Nah sell me soul. Oh no. Me a go and hold it out. Me a go and tough it out. Nah cuff it out. Yeah, man. When I my time forget look at the limelight musically, I give thanks and grateful and make sure to make use of it, you know, but you mad? Nah, stop low. Nah, grounds out feet. You see me? Yeah, man, all the man when I say last year, that's which I'm here now. So I give thanks. Big up all of my fans, them, you know, the real ones, them, you know. I say keep it real on the back of field. I love. See what I say? But yeah, man, P. Diddy, not a good look, sir. Not a good look. We see Elephant Man. And Elephant Man, we see come out and declare for him innocence and distance himself from P. Diddy, because you know, P. Diddy did sign Elephant Man. You see me? But yeah, man, big myself, Elephant Man. You see me? Yeah, you know, Elephant Man, them a bad man. Bad man, a bad man. I mean a rad man. Oh, bad man. No. Yes. Big up myself, Ellie. That's it. I don't know, lion foot now, so for nobody. But I love we say, you know, go shites. Blessed love. Holy man, I Celestia. Rastafari.
Parties wrong.